Guys, imagine driving a luxury SUV that looks expensive, feel premium, but still survives Kenyan roads without emptying your bank accounts at the garage. So today we are at Jamhuri Car Bazaar, hunting for the most reliable budget luxury SUVs and executive cars you can buy right now between 1.7 to 2.3 million Kenyan shillings. So first unit here we have this starting strong with the Honda Vezel. This Honda Vezel, this for 2014, 1500cc engine capacity. So this compact SUV has become favorite for many young Kenyan drivers because it combines luxury looks, fuel economy, and reliability all in one package, guys. So this 1500cc is very economical, especially in Nairobi traffic, and the interior still feels modern even today. So here you get a stylish exterior design that I have shown you, spacious cabin, comfortable seats as you can see, and smooth driving experience, guys. So quick question, would you choose a smaller fuel saving engine or a bigger powerful SUV? Very nice. So this is the interior look of this Honda Vezel. So it's perfect for daily commuting, for small families, first time SUV buyers, and also it's best for business professionals, guys. This unit here goes for 1.78 million Kenyan shillings. Negotiable price 1.78 million Kenyan shillings, guys. Very nice. Next we have a German machine. This is Mercedes-Benz E250. It's for 2011, 1800cc engine capacity. So this is the pure executive class, the Mercedes-Benz E250. May not be an SUV, but for this budget, it gives serious luxury value, guys. At only 2.28 million Kenyan shillings, you will drive away with this unit. So the moment you enter the cabin, you feel the comfort immediately. Like it has the leather seats, premium dashboard, smooth suspensions, and quiet interior. And also this unit here has a sunroof, guys. Let's look at the interior. Very nice. So this 1800cc turbo engine gives strong performance while still being manageable on fuel compared to other German luxury cars. But let's be honest, can you really own a German car in Kenya without a trusted mechanic? Think about it. That's the real question, guys. So this unit here is perfect for executive driving, long distance travel because of power, and also luxury for the luxury lovers and the comfort seekers, guys. Very nice. This unit here goes for 2.28 million Kenyan shillings. Negotiable price, guys. So if you're looking for a German machine, there we go. There you have it. Let me show you the sunroof. This one, the sunroof. That's the sunroof opening, guys. That's the interior. That's the way it looks, guys. Very nice. So with only 2.28 million Kenya shillings, you will drive away with this German machine, guys. Very nice, very nice. So these are some of the amazing SUVs SUVs, executive cars, you can buy right now at Jamhuri Car Bazaar between 1.7 to 2.3 million Kenya shillings, guys. Very nice. Next we have this Subaru Forester, this for 2013 model, 2006 engine capacity, and here the Subaru Forester is one of the most popular SUVs in Kenya for a reason. Why do people love Subaru Forester? It's one, strong all-wheel drive system, and also it has excellent stability, good ground clearance, and above all, powerful road performance because of that engine capacity, guys. So whether you are driving to Naivasha, rural area, or even rough village roads, the Forester handles it comfortably. So Forester owners, how many times have people asked you to race the highway? The 2000cc engine gives enough power for both city and highway drivings. So however, always for this Subaru Forester, always inspect the engine condition, oil leaks, suspensions, and even the service history of the unit, guys. So a well-maintained Forester is very enjoyable to own. So always check on that, inspect on that, all those guys. Very nice. This Forester goes for 1.85 million Kenya shillings, negotiable price. If you're interested, the number is on the screen. Feel free to contact me. Then next we have the amazing SUV here, Honda CR-V. Engine capacity is 2350 cc. So if reliability had a face, it would probably look like the Honda CR-V. So this SUV is known for durability, comfort, spacious interior, easy maintenance, easy maintenance. So the 2350cc engine gives smooth, powerful, and also perfect for long distance driving. So this is the kind of SUV you buy and keep for years without stress. Let's look at the interior. Very nice, very comfortable, and spacious, guys. So what matters most to you in a car? Is it luxury, fuel economy, or reliability? Guys, comment down below your thoughts. Comment down below what matters most to you in a car. Is it luxury, fuel economy, or reliability? Comment down below. If you're new here, kindly subscribe for more car review videos. Share the video, and also you can comment down below. Don't be a stranger, subscribe for more car videos, guys. And honestly, spare parts and maintenance are easier compared to many luxury SUVs for this Honda CR-V, guys. Very nice. So finally, let's we have the stylish Mazda CX-5. This CX-5 really nailed the design on this SUV, because even today it still looks modern and expensive. Just look at that. That's the rear view. Very nice. So what makes people love this CX-5 is a beautiful design. Just look at that. Premium interior, I'll show you. So this one is petrol. This is petrol. Just look at the premium interior. Also the smooth handling. And above all, fuel efficient engine. That's why most people love Mazda CX-5. So the 2000cc engine capacity feels responsible, and the driving experience is sportier than many SUVs in this category. So between Mazda CX-5 and Honda CR-V, which one are you choosing? Very nice. So guys, thank you so much for watching up to this far. If you are looking for best fuel saver, go for Honda Vezel. Best luxury feel, Mercedes-Benz, that's E250. Best performance, Subaru Forester. Best reliability, Honda CR-V. And best modern styling, Mazda CX-5, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching up to this far. That's the end of the video. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.